Got a really beautiful zucchini growing there. He's not my concern right now though. This is my next job. Yeah, a lot of stuff has seen better days, so it's time to cut a lot of that out, save what I can, and clean up some of the weeds that are around, and check out to see what's happening with the watermelons. The lettuces that are in the pots are actually, they were lettuces that saw better days, cut them, start to grow back now. So there's another fresh bunch of lettuce waiting there soon enough. I'm actually going to move them well over to the towards the deck because it gets sun, but there's a lot more shade and it'll be better for those guys. I mean, it can't all be that bad. Look at the size of these little monsters. These are my leftovers. This is a mushroom basket. And this is a true black brandy wine. And, well, right now they are, well, they look like they're almost my height. I'm not very tall. I think I'm 5'4", 5'5", something like that. And, you know, let's estimate another probably 3 to 4 inches higher off the ground than I am. But if they keep going the way they're going, they will be taller than me. But they're beautiful and they're healthy, except for where the bugs eat them. Stupid earwigs. So anyway, because I'm a sucker for punishment and I like working in the sun, I'm going to go finish that off. And when I'm finished there, I'll hang out in the air-conditioned outdoor living room. So we'll see you soon.